eyes open or closed, whatever feels good. And for the next minute, we're going to lengthen our exhale so that we can engage our relaxation response. Let's breathe in for 3 and then breathe out for 6. Breathing in, 2, 3, breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, breathing in, 2, 3, breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, breathing in, 2, 3, breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Pausing when we're feeling stressed, even if it's only for a minute, can make the world of difference. And cracking the eyes open if they were closed. Have a wonderful day.